this is the old fan that's got water damage. If we connect it up to the battery, nothing, completely dead. You can see all the sort of water corrosion where the water's somehow tracked down inside of the motor. If you get the new motor, quickly give this a dab in the battery. There you go, and that works. So I proved that the old fan didn't work. We put it on the battery and it just did nothing. It was full of water. There's loads of corrosion in there, so it was definitely knackered. Put the new one in, but it still doesn't work. So I've removed the resistor, and that was corroded to death. I couldn't get anything through the resistor with a multimeter, so got a new resistor here. So hopefully put this in and it all works. Right, for the moment of truth. Nice.